Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Burp Suite cursor misalignment issue, where editing or deleting text doesn't behave correctly. As you can see, I've placed the cursor on the word I. But when I press Backspace, instead of deleting I, it removes the quotation mark. And if I try to edit a specific word, it ends up changing something else. Pretty annoying, right? Don't worry, I'll show you the best way to fix this. First, click on Burp, then go to Settings. Under Settings, open User Interface. Now, click on Display. Here, check the box for Configure Scaling Settings. Next, set the scale factor to 1.0 using the drop-down menu. Important note, this change will only take effect after restarting Burp Suite. So, let's go ahead and close the application and start it again. Now, I'll send a request to Repeater and try editing it. And there we go. This time, when I delete the quotation mark, it's removed exactly as I wanted. The cursor is now perfectly aligned and edits the right word. That's it. We've successfully fixed the Burp Suite cursor bug. If this video helped you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more Windows and tech tricks, and share your thoughts in the comments below.